Hello folks, welcome back to Wild Hualapai. In today's video, we're going to unbox this suitcase solar panel. It's a 200-watt solar panel. I guess there's 4 of them in here, I believe, from ALLPOWERS. I bought this off of Amazon, and they are not a sponsor of this video. I purchased this myself. I picked up this Anchor 767 powerhouse, and the solar panels, the portable solar panels that Anchor offers are just outrageously expensive. I'm talking $900 some odd for a 400-watt suitcase type solar panel. So I was not at all interested in that. This is a 200-watt system. So I'm gonna try it and test it, and if I like it, I may get another one. This will take 1,000 watts solar, but I don't think I'll need more than 400 watts to do what I need to do to get this charged up. And it'll only take it a few hours to charge up. And when I say a few, I mean 2 or 3 is all it's going to take. AC charging only takes about an hour and a half. It's a super fast charging unit, so I don't really need a full 1,000 watts of solar. So let's cut this open and see what quality looks like. Guess I'll get this out of the way now. Typical Chinese cardboard, you know, kind of the soft stuff. But I don't see any damage to it. There is like something scraped on there on that side, but it doesn't look like anything went through. So let's check it out. That's it. There's nothing else. No styrofoam, no plastic covers, no nothing. This is it. My dirty hands will get it all buggered up right from the get-go. So looks nice though. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, here are all the connection cords, MC4. Here's some adapters. And another MC4 and an MC4. The Anchor doesn't accept MC4 connections, so I went and purchased this adapter that will go from the XT60s, I think this is, to the MC4. So I'm not sure you can cut open this. Pop open these straps. This must be a kickstand. It's actually pretty nice. I'm impressed so far. It's not like super light. You can tell they've, you know, it's got a little bit of weight to it. So this is what it looks like. I thought they'd be bigger, frankly. So these must be 50 watts a piece. I'm going to put this powerhouse down so I can reach the whole table. So it does span this whole table. This is a pretty nice unit. It's got kickstands here on the back that just velcro in. I guess to really set it up, you'd have to lay it down. But I don't want to do that on this work table. Looks like I'm managing okay. So it looks like it's, the kickstands have already got it preset for about 45 degrees. Yeah, it's nice. It's not too unmanageable. For 200 watts, I guess. And in this zippered part here, you can see this is where you would run your leads to whatever device you're charging. In my case, it would be the Anchor Powerhouse. But like I said, this is MC4. And unfortunately, the Anchor doesn't accept MC4s. So I got this off Amazon as well. And this will accept the MC4 terminals right here. And then it has three different kinds of connections for your device. So I think that's the Anderson. Here's the XC60, which I'll use on the Anchor. And then here's one of those round plug types that might go into like a battery charger kind of a thing. So that will be useful. I'll have to use that on this, run it over to the Anchor Powerhouse. Here's the user's manual. In Chinese. I'm sure that's just the back half. I hope it's just the back half. Yeah, here, well, there's German. So I'm sure it's going to have English in there somewhere. So yeah, not too bad looking. It's a quality material that they're wrapped in. Decent kickstands. You know, they're just the flaps that come off the back, and there's a band to it that lets it only go so far to put it at this angle. So it's kind of been predetermined for 45 degrees. If you needed to change that, of course, you could just tuck these in and lean it up against something to get the angle you're after. But yeah, I'm excited to try these out. So, which will be next week. I'm headed to Arizona to some property I purchased up there where I'm going to go live off-grid as soon as I can sell my home and downsize everything to just about nothing. So follow me along on that adventure. That ought to be fun. It'll definitely be something new for me. So yeah, that's it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.